Welcome on the booth here at Steinigke Showtechnik. Thanks for visiting us. Our product for this year's PLASA Innovation Award is our Eurolite PMC 16 cluster. It's COB based. COB is a technology which is since a little time available in our industry. It means chip on board. Basically LED technology. What is new? We don't use single LEDs which we mount in a fixture and have then the fixture itself with a LED power system. We have here everything instead of single points on one chip. A very high packaging we have on a chip means we have more lumen per, let's say, square centimeter. This fixture here, the PMC 16, has up to 15,000 lux at 1 meter. And the idea behind this product is to have something very versatile. We have here, let's say, some kind of lighting shower. We have here a floodlight. It has 60 degrees, so the idea was never to have a beam effect. The idea is to have a light shower for a very bright floodlight, and on the other hand you can use it as matrix effect. So in combination with software, we use here Matrix from Germany. You have the possibility to use it either as blinder, as lighting shower, as you can see it here, or in combination with a lot of these units, you can have a matrix effect. So it depends on the way you mount it, and with this housing you have the possibility to combine it very neatly to each other, and then you can make some square mountings or long bars, and you have here 16 separate modules in one unit. Basically, the COB technology is used in a lot of our fixtures, as you can see here. We have it in power cans, we have it in multi-lens spots, we have it in bars. And the combination of those allows it to you to have a whole setup made from one series of chips with COB technology, and we can achieve right now up to 100 watt fixtures with 210 lumens per watt. So this unit here, especially from our COB series, is a versatile fixture, and in combination with these power cans or with these bars, you can have one, let's say, setup made of one technique. And our idea with this COB technology, which is not at the end right now, is to give the fixture the style of a single source fixture. You don't have the single LED units where you look in and see, okay, here's a pixel, there's a pixel. You have one whole light field. Yeah? And if you look, for example, to the power cans, you can see it. You have one homogeneous lighting room, meaning one color at the whole area you light up. And used in this cluster system here, you can have all the advantages of this technology. Very homogeneous light field, every color from the RGB room, and especially some colors like turquoise or pink or violet you can achieve better than with single LEDs, 3-color LEDs or 4-color LEDs with one lens per unit. Because we have just one chip here inside in every part, and every chip comes up to 30 watts in this unit, to 100 watts in the power cans, and with the whole lighting field of RGB. And our idea is, as I said previously, that you have here a fixture you can use either rig mounted as floodlight, as audience blinder, as wash light somehow, or in combination with 10, 12, 15 or how many you like pieces as cluster system. And in combination with the according controlling system, Matrix or something else, which is pixel controlled, you can have there really fantastic effects. This is our idea for such a system. And the housing we did in a very, let's say, standard style, rectangular, because you can cluster it very easily, and with power con in and out, it is possible with a less number of wires and cables to connect to each other. And the control system inside starts at a very simple mode with 3 channels for the master and slave mode for basic uses, up to a 51 channel system where you can use then your DMX console or your software to achieve very complex light, let's say, interpretations or programmings. So master-slave mode, automatic mode, or full pixel controlled mode. There's a wide variety what you can do with this unit. You can place it on the floor, you can mount it on the rig. It's up to you what you do with this system, and it has a very small package size. You can have it easily in a standard case, easy for transport, and you have at the scene a variety of possibilities. You can easily light up something, you can have a blinder effect, you have this matrix effect, and this all just with one unit. Depends on the software, of course, what you do with this.
You keep saying matrix effects. What do you mean by matrix?
I think in a matrix.
Yes.
Matrix.
Yes.
Oh, matrix.
Yes,
oh,
okay.
I'm sorry.
You're not wrong, because we say matrix with a D sometimes, because we use a software is called matrix. It's coming from Germany, and so we we switch a little bit between matrix effect and matrix, because a lot of the effects you see here, or nearly every effect, is done with this software. It's a pixel control software, with up to 1,000 DMX universes, and in combination with this software, you can achieve a lot of really brilliant effects. And in our opinion, for our product, it's a good choice. And this is the reason why we say sometimes matrix and sometimes matrix, because in combination, it makes the glue. So this unit is available as RGB version, as you see it here. There's 16 times the 30 watt COB chip inside, but there's also available a unit with 16 times 30 watt single color 3200K, and this Technic is also available in the bars, as you see them here. A bar with 4 dots or with 8 dots, and this is also available in RGB and in single color, and it's all from one Technic.